I ain't gonna lie, but when pork is $1.99 a pound, your uncle is bound to make something with that. That's a lot of pork. So I'm gonna go ahead and make Katsudon Donburi because I just saw a video of a shop in Japan that sells 1,000 bowls a day. So I'm gonna make one bowl for us. Anyway, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's your Uncle Burpee Yoga. Let's get it. You can literally hear it. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your Burpee Yoga Uncle. Alright, so it's very easy to make this. This is cornstarch and flour, the egg, and pankao. Pankao is basically breadcrumbs. You can get them in almost any major supermarkets. You can make your own too, but it's pretty simple. So all we're gonna do, put them into the flour. And then after that, put them into the egg. Yeah, it's that simple. And after that, put them into the pankao. Yes, I'm trying not to use a lot of dishes. And we just do it for all pieces. And that's all you gotta do. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. So we'll take this one out because it's done already. We're gonna put it in a... Okay, to make the egg is pretty simple. You just put in the tare, the memi sauce with like I told you before, you just use the memi, it's easier. Otherwise you need to use bonito and marine and soy sauce and make your own. 1 egg, and we like it crunchy, so some onions. Yeah, just let it cook. And while this is happening, we're gonna cut the katsu into pieces. You can literally hear it. And crunchiness. Oh my. Now that it's cooked for a minute or two, I'm going to put in the egg. There's 2 versions of doing this. One version is doing it with the pork chop in there. The other one's not. As it's cooking down, I have a second egg. And it's almost ready. As you can see, I plated the pork chop already, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the egg and put them in there. And there it is. And then if I want more sauce, I can always put more sauce on it because it's already cooked into it. All right, let's try it. Let's go try it. Let's try the katsu. Look at that. You can try. Yes. All right, it's your Uncle Burpee Yoga. It's so easy to make this dish. My pork chops cost like $1 or $2 for 4 pieces. Right here, I still have actually $2. I still have what, 3 pieces to go, and that's how we do it, man. Outside, you pay $10 to $15 for a bowl like this. Please like and subscribe. It's your Uncle Burpee Yoga. Get it. One more egg. And we're ready to go. Yep. Right here. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Ooh. That's what I eat. Udon. Look at that. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. So good.